In today's video, I'll teach you how to add credit card on Google Wallet. First of all, open the Google Wallet application. You can see over here Google Wallet application has been opened. So if you want to add the credit card, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option payment methods. Now you'll be able to add the payment methods in your Google Wallet. You can see two options over here, new credit or debit card, manage other payment methods. Tap on this option new credit or debit card. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add the credit card. You can see over here, you can simply center your card number in the frame. You can simply place the scanner in front of your card number and it will be scanned and it will be added. Or you can also enter the details manually. For that, tap on this option enter details manually. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enter the details, enter the card number over here. Likewise, enter the expiry date and security code, also provide your address. After you do that, tap on the option save and continue, follow through the prompts and the credit card will be added to your account. So that is how you add credit card on Google Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.